Good afternoon. One of the articles over on American Cop this week is my review of Frank Proctor's R5Performance shooting class. Here's some videos from the class and commentary about what we were doing. Demonstrating getting both hands on the gun, bringing the sights up into the eye line, and working the trigger at the same speed throughout without disturbing the sight picture. Your author trying to work those same lateral target transitions. Shot on one, shift the eyes, shift the gun, shot on the second. He's looking at that circle in the A zone of the target, and he's gonna run the pistol laterally across and break the shot when he sees the dot appear in his line of sight.
Stand up. Look really.
Thanks for taking the time to watch the video. Hope you pop over to AmericanCop.com, read the article on the class, and just want to say happy holidays. Whatever it is that you celebrate with your friends, your family, I hope that you enjoy it, and that's a wonderful season. Thanks now. See you in the new year.